Today, Utah saw the lowest single-day COVID-19 case count since September 9th. The state's percentage of tests coming back as positive remains right around 15%. And while some trends are reason to be optimistic, others show the pandemic is still far from over.
Fox 13's John Franke sat down with the state health department today to take a deeper dive into these trends. John.
You might see those declining case numbers and think the worst of the pandemic is over, but the Department of Health says not so fast. In fact, if case numbers rise again, some of the progress we've made with vaccinations and mask wearing and social distancing could take a big hit.
Anytime we have fewer than 1,000 cases, that's amazing. It's been a really long time since we've seen that.
Monday, that number was well below 1,000, with the health department reporting 514 new cases of COVID-19. Exactly 1 week ago, 587 cases were reported. Exactly 1 week before that, 852. In less than a month, the state's 7-day average of positive cases has plummeted from 3,258 to 1,133.
If we can keep strong for several more months, we'll be right there at the end of this tunnel.
Positive signs also with signs of caution. Here's one. A drop in testing. Between February 1st and February 7th, about 123,000 Utahns were tested for the virus. That number is about 15,000 fewer tests than were administered in the previous 7 days.
If we have a really few number of people getting tested, that's when we also start to worry. We're still very likely missing people out there who are COVID positive and spreading the disease and the virus.
There's also the issue of the COVID variants. The health department knows they're here, but how widespread is still a bit of a mystery. An upward spike in numbers could allow the virus to once again run wild.
They're highly transmissible, and we know if they kind of grab hold in a big segment of our population that they will spread really quickly. And we've got to give ourselves a chance at getting back to normal and ending this pandemic using the tools that we know work.
That's why the health department says now is not the time to stop wearing masks. Instead, it's just the opposite.
We are nowhere near herd immunity.
More vigilance, more vaccinations, and we might finally be able to put the pandemic behind us.
That will buy us time to vaccinate more people in the community and in our population, and it's only all of that together that's going to help us get back to normal.
As for the Super Bowl and any parties that people may have had, if that causes a spike in the numbers, we should see the case numbers tick up in about 7 days. In Salt Lake County, John Franke, Fox 13 News, Utah.